Are you in the USA looking at crypto headlines and wondering, where do I even begin? Or maybe you're tired of missing out on the next big thing while others are building digital wealth. This video is for you. I'll break down 3 powerful crypto coins that could shape 2025, and I'll explain them in plain English with facts, not hype. Stay till the end. The third coin is a hidden gem still under $10 that could change the game. Welcome to Crypto AI Hustle, the channel dedicated to making crypto and AI simple for beginners, especially if you're in the USA. Every week, I bring you strategies to build passive income, understand crypto trends, and leverage AI tools for smart investing. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, because digital wealth starts with knowledge. Coin number 1, Ethereum, ETH. Let's start with Ethereum, also called ETH. What is it? Ethereum is more than just a coin. It's a global decentralized computer. Every time you hear terms like NFTs, DeFi, smart contracts, most of that runs on Ethereum. Why is it powerful for 2025? In 2024, Ethereum completed its Dencun upgrade. This reduced gas fees and made transactions faster, 2 of the biggest complaints from users. Major US institutions like BlackRock and Fidelity are applying for Ethereum ETFs, showing how much confidence Wall Street has in ETH. Price outlook. Many US analysts believe that if Bitcoin crosses 100K, Ethereum could easily hit 10K or beyond. Some bold predictions go as high as 15K by 2025, especially with mass DeFi and Web3 adoption. Why US beginners should care? Ethereum is easy to buy on regulated platforms like Coinbase, Kraken, or Gemini, and it has a strong track record. It's not a meme coin that could vanish overnight. Coin number 2, Solana, SOL. Next up, Solana. What is Solana? Solana is built for speed. It can process over 65,000 transactions per second, with transaction fees often less than a cent. This makes it ideal for Web3 apps, gaming, and NFTs. Why is it powerful for 2025? Solana has recovered from past network issues and now powers some of the most innovative NFT platforms, including Magic Eden. The US-based developer community is strong, with support from companies building real apps. Many experts call Solana the Visa of crypto. Price outlook. Some US analysts predict Solana could hit $300 to $500 by 2025, especially if NFT and gaming adoption continues. Why US beginners should care? Solana is available on all major US exchanges, and it offers exposure to one of crypto's fastest growing ecosystems. Coin number 3, Render, RNDR. Finally, my favorite hidden gem, Render. What is Render? Render is a decentralized network that offers GPU power for AI, 3D graphics, AR, and VR. Imagine a world where Apple Vision Pro, Meta's Metaverse, or gaming studios need graphics power. Instead of buying expensive servers, they can rent that power through Render. Why is it powerful for 2025? AI and AR/VR are booming. Companies like Apple, Meta, and Nvidia are building that future. Render provides the decentralized backbone for this. That's why US analysts are calling Render the Nvidia of crypto. Price outlook. Render is under $10 right now, but with growing demand, some see RNDR reaching $50 or even $100 by 2025. Why US beginners should care? It's a low-cost, high-upside coin that gives you exposure to AI plus crypto together. How to invest smartly, USA tips. Before you jump in, here are key tips for my USA viewers. Use regulated exchanges, Coinbase, Gemini, Kraken. Avoid shady apps. Always enable 2FA security on your accounts. Consider using hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor to keep your coins safe. Remember, crypto profits are taxable in the US. Use apps like Coinly or CoinTracker to track your trades. Never invest what you can't afford to lose. Crypto is high risk, high reward. So, which of these coins are you most excited about? Ethereum, Solana, or Render? Or do you have a hidden gem on your radar? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe. In my next video, I'll show you 5 AI tools that can help you earn crypto daily, even if you're starting with 0. Thanks for watching Crypto AI Hustle. Let's build digital wealth together.